Somebody is talking on women empowerment. You mentioned women empowerment. So women empowerment, under women empowerment, what can I talk on? What are the things? Let's think on those things. Yes. Triple talaq. Okay, what else? Somebody is talking on women empowerment, triple talaq and all. I have started off with 1991. All of a sudden you'll stop and you'll start paying attention to me. So the objective of this is to generate something specific, right? What will be the benefits of it? I'll talk on those things later on, right? First of all, I have divided. See, when somebody gives you a topic, what is the first thing he says? I'm giving you 30 seconds to think or 1 minute to think, right? So what needs to be done in those 30 seconds? Let's begin with that. I need to bifurcate my thought process, right? Number one, I need to think on general points first. Why general points? Because I have to make the entire group perform, right? There are 3-4 ways. You are aware of just one, that this is my point, what are your opinion about it? Right? And what if somebody else is not turning up with his or her opinion on your point? Because of the quality you are producing over there. Suppose if it is difficult, nobody else will turn up with that. It has to be general. You're getting the point or not? What if I start talking about Swedish currency? Right? All of a sudden, people will stop then and there. They will pay attention, right? What if I start talking in squares and cubes? Nobody would be able to understand, right? Once and twice I'll do this, people will avoid. But remember, it's not about those who are sitting over there. It is about the third eye as well, right? They will also avoid me. What is the point of having a person who has got sound knowledge but cannot participate, but cannot perform with the team? Participation, you don't even know what are the dynamics, how to behave, right? So please do not turn up with these things. Always remember that general points are very, very crucial, right? What are the benefits of general points? See, this will take time to understand, but once you have understood, you'll sail through, right? Imagine what would happen if I'll start turning up with these general points. Well, the topic of the discussion is India as a developed nation by 2025. Shall I start like this? Yes or no? This should be the sentence, very first sentence, or not? First of all, tell me this. Well, my dear friends, we are here to discuss on the topic that is India as a developed nation by 2025. Now, why? Because I do not have time, right? Neither I have time nor anybody else has time, right? So please come out of your hibernation, come out of your cocoons. It's not a school GD, right? Where you will waste time. Well, my dear friend wants to say something very important. And imagine what would happen if your friend doesn't want to say something. Right? You will be stroked out with the immediate effect. Why? Because you have not been able to gauge whether or not he is interested to speak. Right? So somebody was talking about body language and other things, right? So one of them is this: you are not able to figure it out through his eyes, or even if he is interested in speaking, why are you giving him opportunity like this? Why should others stop? Are you policing them? Please don't do all this. Don't engage, don't waste time. Please understand. Think everything from only one perspective. That is time management, right? You cannot waste time. You cannot afford to waste time. So how should I speak? Even whenever I'm speaking, I should talk sense, right? I should talk sense. So imagine what would happen if somebody turns up with this. Agriculture, education. Can we have some more points on which we need to discuss upon? How many seconds did I take? First of all, education, agriculture. Can we have some more points on which we need to discuss upon? Agriculture 1, education 2. Can we have some more? 3, 4, 3. Unemployment 4. Innovation. Now I am selected. Think from whose perspective? Third eye. Why will I get selected? Because the moment I said education, agriculture, what are the third and fourth points on which we need to discuss upon? The moment I said this and somebody has turned up with the third and fourth point, what will happen? I'll get selected because, please understand, it is becoming a group activity right from the word go. Number 1 is this, right? Number 2 is the GD is getting streamlined, right? And I'm not policing anyone. I'm turning up with very general points, which is occurring in everybody's mind. These two are very general ones or not? Anybody can talk on education, anybody can talk on agriculture, anybody can turn up with thoughts on these 2 points. If I talk about agriculture, under the umbrella of agriculture, anybody can talk on, right? So general points help you like this. You understood the importance of general points. Shall we proceed? Now, specific points. How does specific point help? Now, see, there are few things which are very helpful for you, even if you do not have any content, any idea about the topic, right? I have marked up this data, 1991, and one say proverb or very strong punchline. Whatever you say, I can include, right? See, you have practiced extempores, you have participated in debates. If not, you have not done any sin. Let's learn it right here, right now, right away, right? I do not have any knowledge on anything, but what I have done is, I have marked up few things back at my place, right? You understand improvisation? There are many ways to improvise. The easiest thing I am going to tell you, right? One I have marked up, one data, right? Which I have marked up, 1991. Another one, you tell me, any term on economics, whatever you understand. Repo rate. What else? Repo rate is very easy. GDP, okay, fair enough. GDP. What else? Inflation, you understand? Okay. Per capita income, yes. These things you are familiar, these terminologies you are familiar with, right? But more general ones are, if we talk about inflation, GDP, right? We are familiar with these words. Good. You are familiar with profitability also. So what if I turn up with proper production, proper distribution, something of this sort? See, learn how to crack the monotony of these words. Proper production, proper distribution, I have made out of profit, right? Whatever clue you have given, I have used it, okay? Now, with the help of these two things, I'll speak on any given thing, right? How? It's very simple, I'll tell you. I'll explain it to you. But one thing is for sure, that I do not know anything on whatever is written. I know only these two things: proper production, proper distribution, and 1991. Now you give me any topic unrelated to this. Yes, you were talking about some abstract topic. Can you please turn up with that topic? Can we have mic? Where is the mic?
Okay. The topic I suggested was, can money buy happiness?
Can money buy happiness?
Happiness.
Okay, this is the topic. Can money buy happiness? Right? What? Okay, it's easy. Even you have understood how to turn up with it, right? 1991, when liberalization happened, globalization happened, right? The moment proper production and proper distribution theory came into picture, happiness also came into picture, right? Whatever you are producing, see, you will be happy only when whatever you are producing, you are able to distribute it properly. You have to strike the balance, right? Then only you can become happy. Happiness can be quantified like this. Gone? Topic is over. You got the point? Have you understood or not? True or false? What did you understand? That, what did I do? I used only these two things. Okay? Now, let's talk about any unrelated topic. Slightly difficult, not related to economics at all. Women's safety, right? 1991, globalization and liberalization happened in India, right? With the immediate effect, the first thing which was being started to get addressed was women's safety, security. Because the moment multinationals started coming to India, even females were working over there, right? So they had to be safe, they had to be secured, you have to cordon them off, right? This was the duty of law and administration. And this was the bare minimum requirement, right? This is the bare minimum expectation from a government. Again, whatever you are producing, you have to distribute it properly. If you are cordoning off somebody, you have to ensure that only that is not sufficient. You have to extract the best out of that. You have to provide safety, you have to cordon off, but at the same time you have to produce results also. So proper distribution is also important, equally important. You cannot trivialize the importance of it. I mean, you can speak on this for hours. What else? One more topic. Sky is blue is pretty easy. See, abstract topics are very easy. Sky is blue, right? 1991, when liberalization happened. I'll turn up with that. It is difficult for you. Why? Because you have many options. It is very easy for me. 1991, globalization happened, liberalization happened, right? Sky became blue, right? When companies came to India and we were being able to utilize them to the maximum, right? They started contributing in our revenue, in our profitability. Have you understood how to use whatever you have read or whatever you know? Yes or no? Shall we proceed? Okay.